Good morning, students. In today's session, we learn about the method of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. As we previous lecture, we discussed haloalkanes and haloarenes property, the nature of their bond, because there is a halogen group and there is a carbon, and there is a difference between the electronegativity and the carbon. Halogen have a higher negativity. It means the bonded electrons are shifted towards the halogen group. If they are shifted towards the halogen group, it means they have a partial negative charge and the carbon have a partial positive charge. This difference in the electronegativity makes the haloalkanes and haloarenes as a polar bonds. So in the method of preparation, we learn about that how can we prepare the different kinds of haloalkanes by a different organic compound, like through alcohols, through aldehydes, through alkane. How can we prepare? In this particular lecture, we will learn about the method of preparation by alcohols only. So as we know that what is alcohol, when the alkyl groups are there and OH functional group, OH group is there, that it means the alcohols. Now these are different methods through which we can prepare haloalkanes from these alcohols. Just for example, by the Lucas reagent, we can prepare by the reaction with NaBr, we can prepare the haloalkanes with the reaction with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, red phosphorus with halogen, and thionyl chloride. What is thionyl chloride? SoCl2 is named as a thionyl chloride. Now, how can we prepare this? First, the method ROH, when reacted with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2. When alcohols are react with HCl in the presence of ZnCl2, what happens? See, this alcohol group will be replaced by the halogen. What is the halogen group is here? Chloride group. So this halogen is replaced by the chlorine group. Simple. And this ZnCl2 with HCl is known as Lucas reagent. Now, why we add this ZnCl2 in this particular reaction? Because this ZnCl2 behaves as a catalyst. It will behave as a catalyst. And the reactivity of the Lucas reagent alcohols show different kinds of reactivity. Like how can they reactivity? Tertiary, secondary and primary alcohols have a different reactivity. Just for example, this reaction is also used for differentiate. That's why, because they show different kinds of reactivity. That's why this particular reaction is used to differentiate between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. How can it be? If the reactant species as tertiary alcohols, it means Lucas reagent is treated, and when the tertiary alcohol will be taken, we no need of taken a ZnCl2. Why? Because in this particular case, when the alcohol, this bond is broken down, so what is the charge on the alkyl group? It is a positive charge, and the positive charge alkyl group is known as the cations. So if cation is formed in the reaction, and we know that we learned in the previous classes tertiary cation, secondary cation and primary cations reactivity. The tertiary cations are more stable. If more stable compound is formed, the reaction will become very fast. That's why in case of alcohol, we will take a tertiary alcohol. There is no need of ZnCl2, because in this particular reaction, tertiary carbocation, 3-degree carbocation is formed, and when 3-degree carbocation is formed, the reaction is automatically will be faster. So no need of any catalyst. So what happens when the alcohols are treated with simple HCl? There is a formation of some turbidity. Turbidity means there is some reaction will be proceed, and there is a formation of some blackish grayish color. That blackish grayish colors are known as a turbidity. If this turbidity will come into the 5 to 10 seconds only, then means the reaction mixture carry a tertiary alcohol. Second, if we taken the secondary alcohols in the particular reaction mixture and react with the Lucas reagent, then the turbidity comes into the 10 to 20 minutes. It takes some times, because secondary cation here in secondary alcohols, what will be formed as an intermediate? Secondary cation is formed, and secondary carbocation is formed. It have some low reactivity than the tertiary one. So this reaction takes some time, and turbidity comes in the 10 to 20 minutes. Now what happen in the if we taken a primary alcohols, in case of primary alcohols what happen, the turbidity comes but it takes about 1 to 2 hours. So that's why we can easily differentiate the tertiary, secondary and primary alcohols if we have 3 reaction mixtures by the time taken to form the turbidity. Now what are the other methods for the formation of alcohol halides? Next is ROH. Alcohol is treated with sodium bromide in the presence of H2SO4. Because here is an alkyl group is bromide, so what we have formed, there is a formation of bromoalkanes also. This is a very simple reaction. Now, when alcohols are treated with PX3, phosphorus trichloride, what are the phosphorus trihalogen? Here is aura chloride group is there, bromide group is there. In the case of X, simple alcohol group removed and X is proceed. How this type of reaction is proceed? Just for example, we want 3 molecules of alcohols. We take 3 molecules of alcohols, and if they are react with PX3, what happens? This RX will be formed because out of this have carried negative charge, this will carry some positive charge. Out of this, it will have some negative, it will have a positive. So positive negative will be reacted to each other and what will be formed? RX is formed and remaining H3PO3 as a byproduct. Same with when we treated alcohols with the phosphorus pentachloride. Here is only a pentachloride. We will not take a PBr5, PI5 because they are not exist in the nature. So we already we have only phosphorus pentachloride. By the reaction of phosphorus pentachloride with the alcohols, we also can form RCl, haloalkanes, and PuCl3 as a byproduct. Now next is the red phosphorus with X2. Any gas, any halogen gas will be there. And when we react with red phosphorus with any halogen gas, the same reaction will be proceed as we learn in the phosphorus trichloride. It will be a same type of reaction. And the last one for the method for preparation of ROH, reaction of alcohols with the SOCl2. Reaction with of ROH with the SOCl2 is what? It is simple. What happen? ROH will be react with this OH will be replaced by chlorine and SO2 and HCl gas is formed. Now this reaction is a name reaction. It is known as Darson reaction and it will be also most preferred. This reaction is a most preferred reaction to form the alcohols. Why it is a most preferred reaction? Because in this reaction you can see there is a formation of sulfur dioxide and HCl. Both these two byproducts are in the gaseous in nature. They are in gaseous nature. If they are gaseous in nature, it means it will be easily escaped out from the reaction. To remove these gases is very easily, and by removing these gases we can easily obtain the haloalkanes or chloroalkanes in this particular reaction. So out of these all methods, this one is the most preferred method, and this one is a method for the first one is a method for the preparation of haloalkanes. Why it is important? Because we can use 3-degree secondary and primary degree alcohols as well. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will learn different other methods of the preparation of haloalkanes.